Technology creates opportunities. Skills build solutions. Innovation builds wealth. Good day and welcome once again to the Saturday Business Series, a platform where we explore practical business opportunities, entrepreneurial skills, and strategic ideas that can help individuals build sustainable sources of income. The goal of this series is simple: to expose people to opportunities, provide guidance, and encourage the development of skills that can be transformed into profitable ventures. My name is Chris Akpa, and I'll be guiding you through today's discussion. So today, we'll be looking at UI, UX design and mobile app development. So UI, UX design and mobile app development focus on creating digital applications that people use on smartphones, tablets, and computers. So the UI, user interface design deals with a visual layout of an application, the buttons, screens, colors, and overall look of the product. Now, the UX, which is user experience design, focuses on how users interact with the application, ensuring the app is simple, efficient, and enjoyable to use. Now, let's look at mobile app development, which involves building functional applications for platforms such as Android and iOS, which power most smartphones globally. So today, businesses, governments, banks, schools, and service providers rely heavily on mobile applications to deliver services, manage operations, and connect with customers. As a result, UI, UX designers and mobile app developers are in high demand across multiple industries. The world is increasingly digital, and most every service today is moving online through mobile platforms. Companies need applications for services such as e-commerce and online marketplaces, banking and financial technology like fintech, health and telemedicine platforms, government digital services, educational platforms, and e-learning systems. So a single mobile application project can generate significant income, and many organizations require continuous updates, maintenance, and redesign of their applications. In addition, skilled developers and UI UX designers can work with clients globally, earning income through freelance platforms, technology startups, and digital agencies. Now, let's look at the skills and tools you need for this venture. Number one, understanding of user interface, that's UI, and user experience UX principles. Number two, basic knowledge of mobile application design and development. 3, wireframing and prototyping skills. 4, problem solving and logical thinking. 5, basic programming knowledge for mobile applications. Tools commonly used include Figma for UI design and prototyping, Adobe XD for interface design, Flutter for cross-platform mobile app development, React Native for mobile application development, Android Studio for Android app development. Startup capital estimate for this venture is estimated between 150,000 naira to 400,000 naira. This will cover a laptop capable of handling development tools, internet access, learning resources, or online training, basic software, and development tools. Let's look at the market demand. Demand for UI UX designers and mobile app developers is rapidly increasing due to the digital transformation of businesses. The major clients include technology startups, financial technology companies, government agencies building digital platforms, schools and universities developing e-learning systems, SMEs that want mobile apps for their services. Even small businesses now want mobile apps to improve customer engagement and online service delivery. Incubation period for this particular trade. The learning and practice period is usually between 3 to 6 months, depending on the level of commitment and practice. During this stage, individuals should focus on learning design and development fundamentals, building sample mobile apps, creating a portfolio of demo projects, practicing real-world interface designs, and also there are some common mistakes you need to guide against. One, ignoring user experience. App must be easy to navigate and understand. Over complicating designs. How can you address this? Simplicity often creates better user engagement, so you must be simple in your design approach. Thorough testing before launching. Apps must be tested across different devices. Also, lack of collaboration. UI designers and developers must work closely together. Once established, this skill can grow into a larger technology business. For example, you can build a mobile app development agency serving businesses and organizations. You can develop startup applications and monetize them through subscriptions or advertising. Provide UI UX consulting services to companies building digital platforms. Expand into software development, digital product design, and tech innovation hubs. Now, these are the final thoughts you need to look at. UI UX design and mobile app development are among the most powerful digital skills in today's technology-driven economy. So every digital platform, from banking apps to educational system, requires thoughtful design and reliable mobile development. With dedication, continuous learning, and practical experience, this skill can open doors to local opportunities and global technology markets. Remember, technology creates opportunities. Skills build solutions. Innovation builds wealth. Thank you for joining today's episode of the Saturday Business Series. Once again, my name is Chris Akpa. Join me next week for another strategic breakdown of practical business opportunities as we continue to explore pathways for building sustainable wealth in today's economy. Thank you.